Hello, in this video we are going to see how we can pass app name to an nRoBo framework. So let's go to project directory, open PyPy homepage test file and define a new test pass app name for home command line and get driver and logger instances and app parameter app fixture that will be doing this passing the app parameter from command line. So let's mark this test as unit test and you can get logger instance, and driver instance is not required because we are just going to get app command line switch and its value and print into the log. So let's run the test -app let's say name is great fortune here and -m system. So I think there is some issue. We should have to use hyphen key switch instead -m. -m is for marker and here we want to run only single test, so we have to provide hyphen key switch. And let's open the report, and here we can see app name is read from the command line and here we have printed in log. Thank you.